So one more question on the situation where we have 3 points on the plane. Okay. So out of these 3 points, we shall be taking out two directions. Basically, we need two directions parallel to the plane so that we perform the cross product
So
and
it's
get
not
the
-2, it's +2. AB.
AB is 3 minus 2 is 1, 0 minus 4 is 4.
I
Yeah,
also have -2.
it
It's
is
-2.
minus. It is minus 2 beta. Okay. AC, it is 8 minus 2 is 6. And 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. And you can write this one as 2 minus 1, 0 as well. Okay. Because we only have to perform its cross product. Okay. So now this N is going to be the cross product of these two directions. So this is, you can make it as minus 1, 4, 2, but chale, khair, this is 1 minus 4 minus 2 times, this is 2 minus 1, 0. So this is going to be minus 2, okay. And then we have uh, minus 4 here. Yes, minus 4. And then you have minus 1 and plus 8 is 7. Is this your n? You,
Yes.
you can also write it as 2, 4, minus 7 if you want. Okay. Okay, so this is, now we reach the position where we say r dot n is going to be a dot n. So r is
But
your,
sir, my signs are different
no
for
problem,
the end.
beta. Your equation would be same at the end, okay? R dot n is going to be r and n is going to be 2, 4, minus 7, okay? A, which one would you like to take? Let's take the C, there are two ones in it. This is 8, 1, 1 dot this 2, 4, minus 7. Okay, so this one is going to be, uh, so I can write it as 2x plus 4y minus 7z, that is 16 plus 4 is 20 minus 7 is 13. Is this the equation?
आपने n गलत लिया है.
मैंने
It has to be -2. जी, it has to be -2, 4. अच्छा नहीं, सही है.
ठीक है. So
Okay.
what is this answer not matching in the back?
It is. Yours is. Ours
Okay,
isn't.
okay. Now I have to take you to another situation where we have to write the equation of a plane where you're not given 3 points, but you're given two lines maybe. Okay,
Sir,
so
पीछे 7Z नहीं लिखा हुआ, बस 7 लिखा हुआ है.
how can this be? So there's a misprint, beta. Okay, this is minus 7z. Okay, okay. So look at this. Yeah, yeah. I'll be doing this second question now. It says find the equation of the plane that contains a line and the point 263. Okay. So guys, if you visualize it, you'll really enjoy writing these equations. Okay. So now I have this line here whose equation is given. Now this line is, let me write, this is r equal to 2 minus 1, and please keep an eye on it. I might make a plus minus mistake here, okay? And then plus you have t times minus 1, 4, minus 5, minus 1, 4, and then there's minus 5. And suppose here is a point, let's say this point is, let me call this point x, okay, which is 2, 6, 3. Now the thing is that when you write the equation of a plane, you start by saying r dot n, that is equal to a dot n. So you need to have, first of all, a point on the plane. So yes, we have this point. You can even use this point, okay? Or if you're very ambitious, adventurous kind of a person, you can take this t's value as 100 and you find a point on this line and you can use that point as your a as well. Anyhow, let me say this point is y over here, which is 2 minus 1, 3. You can write as many points as you wish on this line, taking different values of t. Okay? So we are happy that we have many options for this a over here. Now, when you have to find this n, basically you will look for two directions which are parallel to the plane. So one direction is clearly the direction vector of this line, which is -1, 4, and -5. I want to have one more direction. How can I get that direction, Micho?
Make the point meet the line.
Hmm? Yeah,
You
yeah.
can draw a line from the point intersecting the line.
Exactly. Like, you can have this. Can I have this x, y as another direction? Hai na? 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 3. Okay. So this is a vertical line over here. Okay. So, ठीक है बच्चों. So this is 0, 7. And you can write this as 0, 1, 0 as well. ठीक है? So now let's find that n. So n is going to be, this is going to be, one of the direction is -1, 4, -5, while the other direction is 0, 1, 0. Okay. So your n is going to be 5. Then you have 0. Then you have -1. Okay. So this is your n. Therefore, now please check the answer at the back. It says x, y, z times this 5, 0, minus 1. And this is going to be equal to a, let's take this 263 as our a dot 5, 0, minus 1. So you have 5x minus z. 5x minus z, and that is equal to 10, and this was minus 3, that is 7. Is that the answer at the back, Bacho?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this was a situation where you were given a line and a point. Let me see if we have any other situation where we have to write the equation of the plane. Okay. Um, mm, 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 mm. Mhm. Okay, then there are some problems related to the equation planes. We'll do that later. Let me find a question. Next, we can try this third question. Okay. Again, guys, you have to visualize this. Okay. It says find the equation plane that is perpendicular to the planes this and this. Okay, na? That contains a point 2, 3, 1. Imagine, बच्चों, imagine that, let me draw that quickly. Okay, imagine this is your room, बच्चों, ठीक है ना? अच्छा, now see that this wall at the back, this wall at the back here, okay? है ना? And you look at this wall at the left, okay? This wall. Now, this ceiling, can I say the ceiling is perpendicular to both of these walls? In fact, it is perpendicular to all the 4 walls. But I'm just like, going to focus on this third question situation. Can I say this roof over here? Roof is perpendicular to all the walls? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So how can I get the normal to this plane? Now suppose here is the normal to this plane, okay?
Multiply
Yeah,
the
look at this. The normal to this wall is going to be like this pink line, and the normal to this wall at the back is going to be a brown line like this, okay? So both of these normals, this normal over here, okay, and this normal over here, this normal to the plane of this roof is perpendicular to both of them, है ना? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Enough? So if we perform the cross product of these normals over here, let me say we'll get this n. The normal to this plane is going to be 2 minus 4, 1 times the normal to this plane is 1, 0 minus 4. Do you understand this picture? Yes?
These are the
Yes.
these are the direction vectors of this.
These are the normals to
Oh,
the planes
oh,
1 and the plane
right.
2.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's do that quickly. I have here 16. Then I have minus 8, minus 1 is minus 9. So this is going to be 9. Okay. And the last one is going to be 4. So this is the normal to the required plane. So we have a point on this plane which is 2, 3, 1. So this is r dot 16. Please check the answer quickly. That is going to be a dot n 2, 3, 1 dot this 16, 9, 4. Okay. This is 16x plus 9y plus 4z is 32 plus 27 is 32 plus 20 is 59 and plus 4 is 63. Is that the answer to
Yes,
that?
yes, yes.
Okay. So guys, I have given you some examples here, situations here where you have to write down the equation of the plane. So basically, it is all about r dot n that is equal to a dot n. You need to have the position vector of a point on the plane, and then you need to have two directions parallel to the plane whose cross product will give you the normal to the plane. Okay, so from here I'm going to end today's session. In our next classes there are going to be many sub topics where you will be finding the angle between two planes, the line of intersection of planes, like there are many things. We shall be inshallah going to that in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.